the next step on the orchid that I'm going to do is to get some shadows established. I'm going to basically brush mix, and what I like to do is I like to use the medium gray with a little tint of dioxazine purple, and if I need to lighten it even more I can use either light gray or titanium white. So I'm going to get a little bit of those colors on my palette next. One thing that I did want to also mention is at any time, even though you're using extender, anytime your brush feels like it's gotten really dirty, stop and rinse it in water. Blot it off on your paper towel and then reload it with extender again, and you're going to be just fine. I know some people like to stay out of the extender or stay out of the water when they're using extender, but I have no problem rinsing mine in the water in between. All right, so I want to start out with kind of a pale, kind of purpley gray color. So let's take a little mix, little tint. Just that dioxazine purple is so strong, it does not take much. Okay, and I think I am going to lighten that with some white. Yeah, that probably is a little too much, but let's see. By the time I get it off my brush, should be fine. I'm going to add just a little touch of extender in here to loosen it up. I think that should be a pretty good color. So if you were watching, it probably, if you wanted an exact measurement, probably 2 parts white, 1 part medium gray, and just a touch of the dioxazine purple. All right, let's start with the outside edge of this first petal again. Remember, on that very edge, I didn't go all the way to the edge because I want that to have a little bit more of a rolled edge. So I'm not laying down any more extender onto the surface. I am just using it in my paint and in my brushes from now on. Okay, I did rinse this in water, so I need to stop and get extender back in it again, and then wipe it off on my paper towel real good. It's amazing how that extender stays in that brush. All I want to do is eliminate all that extra water. Okay, now straddle the edge with your brush and just kind of erase or blend away that harsh outside or that harsh that harsh edge that's on the right. You want to keep it nice and sharp on the left, on the very outside edge of the petal. Okay, and you'll notice later if you need to get more highlight in there, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Okay, then in the center area here, I had tapered with the white. Now I'm going to pick up where I left off and get some of this shadow